करके मैम वो असेसमेंट में सेंड कर दिया असाइनमेंट में।
Beta, wait a minute. Now start doing. First of all, don't waste the time. Keep your cameras on. Back camera should be on. Page number 67. Yes, Shranav. What is the first question? Read it out. First question, Shranav.
Open page number.
Yes, beta. Page number 67. Yes, page number 67. Akshita Rana has already done.
यस मैम मैं असाइनमेंट में सेंड कर दिया है।
तो आपने अभी कर लिया, वो तो मैंने आपको ऐसे होमवर्क सेंड कर दिया था और मैंने आई वांटेड इट टू बी डिस्कस्ड इन द क्लास, मैंने क्लास में डिस्कस करना था और आपने कर लिया काम।
मैम मुझे नहीं पता था।
ओके, होमवर्क आई वाज सेंडिंग ना, तो मैंने ये होमवर्क में सेंड कर दिया। ओके, प्रिया हैज आल्सो डन, इट मींस मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हैव डन। ओके, सो लीव इट, कम टू पेज नंबर 68. ओके, पेज नंबर 68.
मैम
If you have
67 कंप्लीट।
बेटा मोस्ट ऑफ हाफ स्टूडेंट्स ने ये कर लिया है, तो वी विल डिस्कस पेज नंबर 68. ओके, कम टू पेज। अब आपने कर लिया, मैंने होमवर्क पहले सेंड कर दिया था। पेज नंबर 68 नाउ बेटा, पेज नंबर 68
होमवर्क।
बेटा 67 इज योर होमवर्क. ओके, 68 we will do in class, right? Yes, Sharanam, read this question. बस करो, कैमरा बंद करके खाना खाओ बेटा. ओके, यस, कैमरा बंद करो, अब टेक योर मील्स. यस Sharanam.
Based on your understanding of the story, fill in the blank section. Title of the story and name of the author.
Okay. देखो बेटा, based on your understanding of the story, fill in the following. This question you will do yourself. Okay, in the class it is to be done. Okay, this question is to be done in the class. First of all, you will give the title of the story. What was the title of the story? क्या था title of the story before the examination? Keep your back cameras on. Back camera on करेंगे. I want to see. Then we will discuss it. Okay. First of all, title of the story. The title of the story, as you know, it is before the examinations. Name of the author R.K. Narayanan. Okay. रसीपुरम कृष्णा स्वामी, ऐसा था ना इसकी फुल फॉर्म?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right. Write down name of the author R.K. Narayanan. Okay, my favorite character. Now in this you have to write your own favorite character. Okay, some can write Swaminathan, one can also write Mani, one can also write father. So this is your choice. Okay, जो आपका favorite character है, write down that. My favorite character. These words that describe the character. अब वो कैसा है? अगर father है तो father कैसा है? Caring, harsh, जो भी तुम फादर के बारे में, whatever you understand about the father, तुमने फादर की 3 characteristics you will write. So if you are taking Swaminathan as your favorite character, then you will write about Swaminathan 3 characteristics. कैसा था Swaminathan? कैसा था? Careless था, lovable था, जो भी तुम्हें जो character अच्छा लगता है तुम उसके बारे में लगाओगे. Innocent था. Yes.
मैम मनी के बारे में क्या लिखा है?
Author believed in shortcuts, shaped from hard work. ये तुम लिखोगे बेटा. I will not tell answer. मैं आंसर नहीं बताऊंगी. I'm just giving you the hints. Okay, you can take Swaminathan, Mani, father, any character which you like. Okay, after that question is name of the place where the story took place. You know this thing that the story took place in a small village. Okay, you can write a small town. Okay, 2 words that describe the setting up. पहले name of the place, कहाँ पर story हुई है? I told you this thing, it is set in the Malgudi. Name of the place में what you will write? Malgudi. M-A-L-G-U. No, Akshita Rana. मेरा बेटी ये गलत है, Akshita Rana. Name of the place where the story took place, here you will write Malgudi. M-A-L-G-U-D-I. Malgudi is a fictional South Indian town. Okay, fictional means मैंने ये story के starting में बताया था. The story is set in a fictional town of South India, that is Malgudi. ओके मालगुडी कोई टाउन नहीं है, बट ये स्टोरी में आर के नारायण ने ही हैज रिटन कि मालगुडी है, मालगुडी में स्वामीनाथन है, तो ये क्या है, फिक्शनल है इन द स्टोरी, झूठा, MALGUDI मालगुडी, ओके। नेम ऑफ द प्लेस, 2 words that describe the setting। अब 2 words क्या लिख सकते हो आप, स्मॉल टाउन है छोटा सा टाउन है, स्मॉल टाउन यू कैन राइट। सेकंड ब्यूटीफुल विलेज, beautiful town, yeah, extremely beautiful। First is small town, second extremely beautiful place, okay। 2 words आगे। After that beginning, now this you will do, beginning में you will write the story that exams were approaching and father has become serious, ये तुम लिखोगे beginning में। middle में कि तुम क्या लिखोगे, everyone is preparing for exams, money believes in shortcuts, he goes to clerk house, के मिडल में आ जाएगा। एंड में क्या आएगा, एंड में तुम लिखोगे फादर torn the list of paper, okay, torn the list of items, ये तुम लिखोगे एंड में। my favorite part in the story, now this is your choice, which is your favorite part, वो तुम लिखोगे, okay। my favorite part of the story क्या लिखोगे, my favorite part of the story is that when money dodged the steps of clerk।
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Yogesh।
मैम बिगनिंग में क्या लिखना है, मैम बिगनिंग में क्या लिखना है?
बिगनिंग में बेटा you have to write बिगनिंग क्या हुआ था, स्टोरी में क्या था बिगनिंग में, what was in the beginning, स्टार्टिंग में क्या था, means
Page number 68.
page number 68, what was in the starting of the story, okay। Middle, was in the middle, what was in the end, yes, yes Vritti।
Ma'am, my favorite character is Swaminathan. And first is he is naughty, second is intelligent.
Wait a minute, I will give you time, okay, after that I will ask from you, but now at this time nobody will give the answer। 4 minutes।
No, ma'am, I'm not giving the answer. That, ma'am, I can't understand. But I write in third point.
Third word about who?
Ma'am, Swaminathan.
You can write innocent, you can write carefree, you can write mischievous, naughty, okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Now in the last you will write my favorite part of the story। अब ये सबका डिफरेंट होगा, कईयों को स्टार्टिंग का अच्छा लगा होगा, कईयों को मनी का इंसिडेंट अच्छा लगा, कईयों को लास्ट में अच्छा लगा, जब वो बहुत मींस ही वाज बिजी इन मेकिंग हिज लिस्ट, स्वामीनाथन बहुत बिजी था अपनी लिस्ट बनाने में, और फादर गैश्ड इट, ओके, फादर ने उसको क्या किया, तोड़ दिया, फाड़ दिया, ओके। Yeah, this question।
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes।
Ma'am, 2 words that describe the setting. Ma'am, उसके नीचे क्या लिखना है?
2 words that describe the setting up, okay, in that you will write small town and extremely beautiful, okay। कैसा है town, small town and extremely beautiful। Now beginning, middle and you will write, and my favorite part of the story, this thing you will write, because each has different choices, है ना, किसी को फर्स्ट अच्छा लगा, किसी को कोई अच्छा लगा। So 3 minutes are with you, after 3 minutes I will start asking, okay, okay, write down beta। back camera should be on, back camera should be on, I want to see what you people are writing। Abhinay, Ashish, keep your camera on। Arushi 2460, Ashish 2543, Divyansh, Munish Kumar, Pallavi Thakur, Priyanka, Saransh,
Ma'am, what we write in beginning?
Beta, put on your thinking cap, okay, put on your thinking cap, अपने सोचने वाली कैप डाल लो सिर पर। क्या लिखना है बिगिनिंग में, सोचो what happened in the beginning, that money Swaminathan's father was worried, तुम प्रेजेंट में लिख लो, everyone is preparing for exam, Swaminathan's father is worried that because Swami used to talk with his granny, ऐसे लिखो। खुद लिखोगे अब. आई हैव टोल्ड. ओके, अब आप लिखोगे. आपका देखना मैंने. बैक कैमरा ऑन रखो. यस प्रिया, वेरी गुड. योगेश, गुड. अक्षिता राणा, गुड. पल्लवी, yes, good. Monal, yes, write down Monal. Very good. Shivam Singh Rajput, yes. Suhani, Pallavi, good. Samar, good. Akshit 1388, he has already written this my favorite part of the story. Okay, very good. Write down. Yes, Rana. Aryan. Anshika Dogra, beta, keep your back camera on and then write down its answer, okay? Priyanka, not visible. Abhimanyu, not visible. Abhinay Ashish, neither Abhinay, neither Ashish, neither Abhinay Ashish nor Sejal is visible. Sejal 3295. Saransh, Munish Kumar, not visible. नहीं लिखना आपने. Sejal 3295. Sejal, your response in the starting was very good. आपका रिस्पॉन्स बहुत अच्छा था स्टार्टिंग में, बट नाउ क्या रिस्पॉन्स अब आपका? कैमरा बोल के ऑन करवाना पड़ता है, ऐसे आप ऑन नहीं करते हो. स्टार्टिंग में अच्छा था और अब सेजल का रिस्पॉन्स नहीं है. सेजल, ये कौन सी बुक खोली हुई है? Sejal 3295. Back camera on karo. Or show me your book. Yes, Abhinay Ashish book is visible. Sejal's book is not visible to me. Still your book is not visible, Sejal. Ruhani. Sejal, आपने कौन सी बुक खोली है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी. मुझे हिंदी की बुक लग रही है तुम्हारी, सेजल.
मैम पीछे मैम भैया ने चार्ट लगा.
ओके, आप अपनी बुक बताओ, ऑब्जर्वेशंस की बुक बताओ. अब बताओ आप कहाँ लिख रहे हो. शो मी दैट पेज. पेज नंबर 68 बताओ. टर्न द पेज. टर्न द पेज. पेज को टर्न करो.
67.
67 has already given ना, वो मैंने पहले दिया वो था. Most of the students have done, but I am asking about page number 68. What you have written in page number 68? Sejal 3295 नहीं पढ़ती है. मुनीश कुमार 1385. बस कैमरा बंद करके बैठे रहना. हाँ जी, मुनीश कुमार 1385. शो मी योर बुक. मुनीश कुमार. सारांश, राघव परमार. Listen beta, if you don't want to study then you can leave the class, okay? अगर नहीं पढ़ना है तो क्लास को लीव कर दो. क्यों कैमरा ऐसे ऑन नहीं करना? ऐसे बैठे हैं क्लास में, जस्ट गिविंग योर अटेंडेंस और बस क्लास पे बेड में लेटे हुए हैं. ये क्लास ऑन की और क्लास से चले गए. यस
मैम, हमने मिडल में क्या लिखना है?
इन द मिडल ऑफ द स्टोरी. व्हाट हैपेंड इन द मिडल ऑफ द स्टोरी? क्या हुआ था स्टोरी के मिडल में? जो तुम्हें 1-2 लाइंस जो तुम्हें लगती है, राइट डाउन दैट. In the middle of the story, you can also write that Mani tries to know questions by bribing the clerk. Okay, ये भी you can write in the middle of the story. Okay, I think shall I start asking? Shall I start asking?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. After 1 minute, okay?
Ma'am.
Akshay, 388, write down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Akshita Rana has done so.
Ma'am, Vritti done.
Okay, good. Okay, now nobody will say done, done, done. Just raise your hand, okay? You will raise your hands and nobody will say done, done, done. Yes, Akshita Rana.
Yes, ma'am. Title of the story before the examination. Name of the author R.K. Narayanan. My favorite character, father. 3 words that describe the character: first, caring; second, harsh; third, and hungry. Name of the place where the story took place, Malgudi. 2 words that describe the setting: small town and beautiful village.
Okay.
Beginning. Before the examination of Swaminathan, and father will becoming worried and troubled.
Wait a minute, Akshita Rana. Akshita, you have used will, na? Write the story in past or write it in present, okay? Before the examinations of Swaminathan, father is becoming, okay? Yeah, father has become very harsh. Okay, father's attitude towards father has become, your father is becoming very you can write he's all, father has made his mind to harass his child. ये भी तुम लिख सकते हो, okay? Will, don't use will. Okay, will तो फिर okay, yes. Middle.
All are preparing the exams.
All are preparing for exams. Okay, all are preparing for exams. Money. Money tries to bribe the clerk by giving brinjals. Okay, in the middle you can write money tries to bribe the clerk by giving brinjals. Okay, in the last.
Ma'am, father throw the list of examination.
Okay, and your favorite part of the story?
My favorite part in the story is beginning. Before the examination of Swaminathan, the father is becoming very troubled.
Okay, so that was your favorite part. Okay, Akshita, good. Yes, Vritti, 2440.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, title of the story before the examination. Name of the author R.K. Narayan. My favorite character Swaminathan. 3 words that describe the character: naughty, intelligent, and carefree. Name the place where the story took place.
Vritti,
Yes, ma'am.
Vritti, please spell
Yes,
naughty.
ma'am.
Please spell
Yes.
naughty.
Yes, ma'am. Please. Yes, ma'am. Name the place where the story took place.
Wait a minute. Listen, whenever someone says you this thing, then somebody says you this thing, that please spell
Ma'am, your
naughty.
voice is not on.
My voice is not audible. Maybe network issue. Okay. देखो बेटा, जब आप कोई बोलते हैं, if somebody says you like this, कि जैसे मैंने वृत्ति को बोला, वृत्ति spell naughty, it means वृत्ति has to tell the spelling of naughty. ऐसा बोला ना मैंने वृत्ति आपको कि spell naughty. The what you have to do, you have to tell me the spelling of naughty. अब मुझे naughty की spelling बताओ. Spell naughty, Vritti. Don't unmute yourself, Vritti. Your turn is going on. Don't unmute yourself. Vritti, 2440. Vritti, what happened? Vritti, 2440.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, naughty. Spell naughty.
Yes. Ma'am, notice.
Yes. Spell it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, N-O-T-Y.
तभी बोला कि naughty की spelling spell करो. जब भी मैं ये बोलूं कि please spell, it means you will tell the spelling. Naughty, N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Write down its spelling. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Naughty. Naughty means mischievous, shararti. Naughty, N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Okay? तभी देखा, मुझे पता था ना यहाँ पे वृत्ति की होगी मिस्टेक. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Naughty. Okay, Vritti, now continue. Vritti, correct किया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now,
Ma'am, name of the place where the story took place. Malvi. Two words that describe the settings: beautiful town, small town. Number first, beautiful town, and number second, small town. Beginning before the examination, there are 2 weeks. All are so worried. Swaminathan's father was changing. He was worried what Swaminathan do in the paper. In the examination middle, money goes to clerk house, and clerk was murmuring something in the mouth about his cat. And Swaminathan making the list of material of examination, and father crushed the list and opened the drawer and say that you take material from this drawer. My favorite part of the story is when money goes to clerk house, and clerk was murmuring something in his in his mouth
about cat and eyesores. Okay, okay.
about his.
Vriti, it's okay, okay. Then Pratyush, 1, 2, 4, 2.
Yes, ma'am. Title of the story before the examination. Name of the author R.K. Narayan. My favorite character is Swaminathan. 3 words that describe the character. Number 1, Swaminathan was innocent. Number 2, Swaminathan was lazy. Swaminathan loving. Name of the place where the story took place. Malgui.
Malgudi, Malgudi. Malgubi, Malgudi.
Malgudi. 2 words that describe setting: small town, beautiful town. Beginning in April, just 2 weeks before the examination, Swaminath realized that his father was changing. Middle. Maybe Mani said, not quite liking the remarks, but I do it with some definite purpose. And he was just going out when father called him back and said, "Here, boy, as you go, for goodness sake, remove the baby from the hall." My favorite part of the story is middle. 2 days before the examination, he sat down to draw up a list of his needs. With a lot of through, he wrote and rewrote the list.
Wait a minute, Pratyush, you have done this question, but main where you are lagging behind is that you have used the wordings of your book. आपने book की wordings लिख दी हैं सारी. Yes, Pratyush? And don't write book wordings of your books. ठीक है, books की wordings मत लिखो. You make your own. अपनी wordings लिखो. ठीक है, अपनी wordings क्या होंगी? वो थोड़ी easy होंगी. ओके, बुक से तो आप उतार दोगे कि फर्स्ट उतारा, सेकंड उतारा, फाइनल उतार दिया, बट बुक से नहीं करना है, आपने खुद लिखना है. माय फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी इज दैट व्हेन मनी ट्राइज टू ब्राइब द क्लर्क सो दैट द क्लर्क वुड टेल हिम द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर कमिंग इन द एग्जामिनेशन. अपने से लिखना है. ओके, ओके Pratyush, otherwise your answer is correct. You tried, that is the main thing. Okay, now who has raised hand? Arushi 2460.
Yes, ma'am. Title of
Yes.
the story. Title of the story before the examination. Name of the author R.K. Narayan. My favorite character Swaminathan. 3 words that describe the character: innocent, carefree, and naughty. Name of the place where the story took place: Malgudi. 2 words that describe the setting: small town, extremely beautiful. Beginning.
Okay,
Before the exam.
Wait a minute, Arushi. Arushi,
Yes,
spell
ma'am.
extremely. Spell extremely.
EXTREMELY.
Okay, naughty.
NAUGHTY.
Very good, very good. Okay, continue.
Beginning. Before the examination, there are 2 weeks. All are so worried. Swaminathan father was changing. Middle. Money goes to clerk house and laid a meat bundle containing fresh brinjal at his feet. Ending. He was just going out when father called him back and said, boy, as you go for a goodness sake, remove the baby from the hall. My favorite part in the story. My favorite part when the money goes to Clerk House with some fresh brinjals.
Okay, your ending is correct. One thing as Pratyush has done, you have also done the same thing. You have taken wordings from book. Okay, आपने beginning और बीच का ठीक था, पर एक जगह आपने क्या किया, पूरी wordings ले ली book की. Okay, but your favorite part of the story which you have written, that is correct. Okay, now after that, okay, Suhani. Okay, I think अब आपको ये क्वेश्चन लग गया पता, हाउ टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन. शैल वी मूव टू पेज नंबर 69? शैल वी मूव टू पेज
Yes,
नंबर
ma'am.
69? चले
ma'am.
कि anybody चले, let us move.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's move to page number 69. Come to page number 69. Yes, Suhani 1762, read this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Why did Swami think his father seemed changing for the worse? What was the reason for the change?
Okay, you know this thing that Swaminathan's father was changing. Okay, he was becoming worse. Worse means bad. Worse means बहुत बुरा बन रहे थे. Okay, what was the reason for the change? क्यों? Why he was changing? Suhani?
Ma'am, because Swaminathan father was worried.
Never start your answer with because. Because से answer start नहीं करना है.
Swaminathan father was worried because Swaminathan exams are coming, and they think a lot about that what was happened when Swami was failed. So they are very. So that's why the father was very worrying about the Swami examinations.
Okay, Suhani, world best try करती है, बहुत अच्छा try करती है Suhani. Very good, Suhani. Good response in the class. Pallavi Thakur 1288. Pallavi Thakur. Okay,
Yes,
Pallavi, same question for you. Question number first. Same question. Yes, Pallavi. Unmute yourself, Pallavi. What happened? Pallavi, question number first. Yesterday you were present in the class, Pallavi Thakur. Say honest.
Yes, ma'am.
You were present in the class, that you must know. क्या आएगा इसमें? Swaminathan's father was changing. What was the reason of that change? क्यों change हो रहे थे उसके father? Why his father was becoming worse? Why his father was becoming more strict towards Swaminathan?
Ma'am, because her father is worried.
Never start your answer with this because.
Swami's father was worried.
Was worried.
Because
Why he was worried? Because Swaminathan's examinations were approaching. Okay, Swaminathan's examinations were approaching. Yeah, was approaching. Swaminathan exam was approaching. Okay, now Monal, question number second. Monal, question number second.
Yes, ma'am. What kind of reputation did the clerk have?
What kind of reputation? Okay, reputation. Okay, read karo isko. Read it once again.
Yes, ma'am. What kind of reputation did the clerk have in school?
Okay, what kind of reputation? क्या reputation था clerk का? What other student used to say about this clerk? Very easy question. मोनल ने क्लास ही 2 days से लगाई है, तो मोनल कैसे पता होगा? मोनल, मोनल,
Yes, ma'am.
यस बेटा. जो क्लर्क था, इन the clerk of the school was having a reputation. Okay, all the students knew him by some, you can say some words or something you can which one can define about the that clerk. Okay, clerk को जानते थे सभी कुछ चीजों से. Okay, Mona. Okay, Tania, 1943. Tania,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, you tell what kind of reputation the clerk was having in the school. क्या था clerk का reputation? क्या बोलते थे? What children used to say about that? What students used to say about that clerk? क्या बोलते थे clerk को? तानिया, बहुत easy question है ये. Yes, Tania. Anshika Dogra. Anshika Dogra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, question number 2.
Yes, question number 2. What kind of reputation? क्या था reputation clerk का?
Ma'am, reputation मतलब
मीन्स उसको तुम जैसे बोलते किसी की गुडविल, किसी की अच्छी बात, ठीक है, वो रेपुटेशन होता है. अच्छी बात, ख्याति, दैट इज कॉल्ड. जैसे क्लर्क को ही वाज कंसिडर्ड एज ओमनिसिएंट. ओके, उसको ओमनिसिएंट बोलते थे क्लर्क को. दैट ही नो, बोलते थे ना बच्चे, क्या बोलते थे? दैट ही नो ऑल द क्वेश्चन पेपर्स, वट एवर मटीरियल इज कमिंग इन द एग्जामिनेशन, दैट इज नोन टू द क्लर्क. एक रेपुटेशन था उसका कि क्लर्क नोज एवरीथिंग. बच्चे क्या बोलते थे कि क्लर्क नोज एवरीथिंग, ही इज कंसिडर्ड एज ओमनिसिएंट. वो सब कुछ जानता है. ओमनिसिएंट मीन्स वन हु नोज एवरीथिंग. ओके, omnipresent जो सब जगह, जैसे God is considered as omniscient and omnipresent. Omnipresent ईश्वर सर्वव्यापक है. Omniscient भगवान सब कुछ जानते हैं. So the clerk was also considered as omniscient. Okay, ये reputation था. So students, your homework is, you have got your homework. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss the next questions. Now anything you want to ask? Anything you want to ask जो तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आया? सब समझ में आ गया? Up to question number 2, anything? Yes. Yes, Akshita.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of retort?
Retort means the answer back. Okay, चिढ़ जाना और retort answer back करना.